How to hard reset Poco M7 5G. Forgotten password. Factory reset. Step 1. Power off the Poco M7 5G. Press and hold the power button. Then select power off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up power button simultaneously. Release the power button when the Poco logo appears, but keep holding the volume up button until the MIUI recovery screen appears. Step 3. Navigate in recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to move up and down. Use the power button to select. Step 4. Select Wipe Data. Scroll to Wipe Data and press the power button. Then choose Wipe All Data. Confirm with Yes or Confirm. Step 5. Wait for the process to finish. The phone will wipe all user data and settings. Step 6. Reboot the device. After the reset is complete, select Reboot System now. Step 7. Set up your device. Once restarted, go through the setup process. If our app is active, you will need to log in with your Google account.